In the journey of life, your smartphone is your constant companion, capturing every leap, every laugh, every memory. Millions embrace these companions yearly, yet many see their stories cut short by damage. But what if you could change that narrative? Meet ProtectionPro, where unparalleled protection meets your every need. Imagine the artist's inspiration, the first steps of a child, captured and protected. Beyond the ordinary, ProtectionPro shields against life's unexpected moments. Not just once, but over and over again. From the relentless grind to the accidental drops, watch as every challenge is met with unwavering resilience. Your world is diverse, and so is our protection. Every device, every adventure, confidently secured. So, go ahead, seize every moment, embrace every journey. With ProtectionPro, fear turns into freedom, and life stories are yours to tell. ProtectionPro, not just a screen protector, but a guardian of your life stories. Embrace life fearlessly.